Hello and welcome to Classic Car Restorer channel. In this episode we're going to be presenting you this beautiful example of Jaguar XJS made in 1993. On this car we did partial reconstruction, mainly around the front windshield and back end of the soft top. To do this we needed to rebuild this part under the windshield on both sides. They were notorious to catch rust under these chrome strips. To reconstruct that, we needed to tear complete interior out so we could rebuild, fabricate new metal pieces, weld it, and repaint the car. There was about more than 400 hours of labor put it in this car, and at the end, as you can see, it looks lovely. We also replaced the soft top, which was supplied by Eurotop from Germany. Our part of the job was to retrim it and refit it on the car. Now at the back end, there was also a bit of work under the soft top, which likes to collect water. So because of that, there was quite some rust. We needed to remove the petrol tank, the soft top, so we could fabricate new metal pieces, weld it, and paint them. Now the biggest issue with this car is disassembly and assembly. It can take a lot of hours. You want to be very careful with especially disassembly because it's hard to get spare parts on the market. What makes this car interesting, it's sharing a lot of engineering and body lines from Jaguar E-Type. She was icon from 90s, and you can see for the end in our video how we brought her back to life.